Matthew, for your IEP goal number 3, again, number 3, we're going to be working on area and perimeter. So this is your anchor chart, and you should have it in your new IEP packet. So let's review it. Perimeter at all 4 sides. 9 plus 16, 9 plus 16 equals 50 feet. And area equals multiply. So you would multiply 9 feet with 16 feet. And this is how you get your area, multiplying 9 times 16 equals 144 feet. So let's move on to your first worksheet. You're going to find this in your new packet, goal number 3, first worksheet. And it should look like this. Number 1, find the area. Find the area in centimeters of the rectangle shown. So to find the area, what do? 3 times 4 equals, and your answer would be 12 cm. So now you can work on 2 through 15. This is going to be your assignment for today, and we're only focusing on area, finding the area. Remember to show your work and use your formula. For goal number 4, this is your anchor chart for goal number 4. Remember, we're using the new packet. So let's review. A point is pictured by a dot. It is named with a capital letter. This point is A. Line segment. A line segment is a straight path between 2 points. This is a line segment, BC or CB. It is written BC or CB with the lines. A line. A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions. This is line DE or ED. It is written DE or ED with the line. And ray. A ray is a straight path that goes on forever in one direction. This is a ray. FG. It is written FG with the ray on top. So now moving on to your homework, to your assignment for today. This is how your worksheet should look like. And this is going to be the first page on your packet on goal number 4. So lines, rays, and line segment. So basically you are going to name each line, ray, and lines or line segment. So use your anchor chart or use this up here to guide yourself. And this is it for today. Goal number 3 and goal number 4.